Have you ever wanted to create a short movie like video just by typing a few words? Well, now you can, and it's easier than you think. Today I am showing you an amazing AI tool called SkyReels, which uses the power of its new SkyReels Volume 2 model, the world's first open source AI that can make infinite length cinematic videos. With SkyReels, you can type a prompt and get a 30-second video that looks like it came straight out of the movie. So link is available in the video description, so let's dive in. On the left panel, all your creative tools are lined up from the state of AI video features. After clicking the create button, SkyReels give you the choice between auto mode and stable mode. You can also set your aspect ratio and define how long the video should be. For my first test, I typed. In seconds, SkyReels generated a stunning video. That looks like a scene rapid straight out of an action movie. Now let's try another prompt. The result intense and cinematics. To test its range, I tried the AI dramatic scene. So this time I will try its 30 seconds video. Simply enter the prompt and again the tool nailed the atmosphere. This time let's explore the image to video feature. To use it, simply upload an image from your computer. Now select your preferred aspect ratio and then enter your prompt. Hit the create button and in a few moments, here's the result. Just look at that. Now let's talk about its more advanced features like Storyboard feature. Click on Storyboard button and you will see an interface like this. Here you can just need to add a starting frame and the last frame of your video. Once you have set both frames, simply click the export button and just like that, SkyReel will export your video clips in HD quality. That's super simple, right? And next we have its effect feature. This one is really fun. SkyReel offers a bunch of unique effects like show muscle, hug, cartoon hug, your idle hug, venom mode, kiss and hug features and more. Let's try show muscle effect. I will upload the photo, crop it and then either enter a prompt or just click create directly. And within seconds, here's the result. That's so funny and looks surprisingly realistic. Like I am actually showing off muscle in a real video. That's the power of SkyReels. Next we have subject reference feature. This one's great for more creative videos. Just upload 1 to 4 images. These can of people, animals, objects or scene. For example, a wizard, a pumpkin and a spaceship. Then describe their movement and interaction and hit create. SkyReel will generate a full video based on your vision. Next we have extend feature. This allows you to extend video content. Just describe what you want to extend in the video and SkyReel will build on top of it automatically. Perfect for adding extra scenes or story depth. Next we have lip sync feature. You can either type the dialogue or upload your own audio. For this demo, I will enter the prompt. image and finally hit the create button. And here is the result.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore exciting content, tutorials, tips, and entertainment. Subscribe for weekly videos that inspire, educate, and keep you coming back.
So here was the AI video feature. Now let's try its second feature, AI drama. It helps you create short films from script to screen. Click create and you will see the interface where you can start your storytelling journey. Choose to upload a script, novel, or click generate script to let SkyReels make one for you. Hit create a summary instantly. Then hit generate characters and within seconds your characters are ready. Pick your favorite one, click generate storyboard and watch all the scenes. Here you can see all the scenes, dialogues and story come to life. You can even click edit to tweak the dialogue or visuals, total creative controls. So that's so easy to create AI drama videos using SkyReels. Here we have its some AI tools. In the AI tool section we have different tools like video generator, image generator, lip sync tool, novel to script, script to short, text to speech, AI sound effects and more. It's also support AI video editor. Yes, it's truly an all-in-one video creation toolkit. So that's a full walkthrough of SkyReels.ai. I hope you will find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.